Righty then. Welcome back to no. Welcome back to. I was about to say welcome back to No More Heroes. We're not playing No More Heroes. We're playing Resident Evil. I don't know what's wrong with Leon's face. Like I said last time, I was gonna change his outfit. This is his casual clothes. He's just chilling. I forget if there's like the police uniform. I don't even remember what I'm supposed to do. I had to click in the stick and thinking this was Dead Space. I don't know where to go. All I know is that we're gonna probably fight the oh dude. Oh yeah, I got the laser. I don't know if I mentioned that. And also, I don't know if I meant to mention that. I forgot if I had said that before. I'm pretty sure I got it last time. This is when they throw it over the other dude's body, right? Man, he doesn't have a head. What the hell? Or to please the salamander, right? Yeah.
The hell was that?
Damn, look at the size of that.
It's more to look at.
Looks like there's something over there.
Anything else I'm supposed to be looking at? No. I didn't realize there was a little indicator telling me what to look at. Until I press it again. Easter eggs. Jump scares. Ah! Kinda looks like a foot. Keep wanting to click in the stick, thinking this is, what's it call it? Dead Space. This is not Dead Space. This is Resident Evil. I haven't played this game in a while. Like in a bit, so I don't even remember how to play. What are you? Boat fuel is stored in the boat fuel is stored with the generator fuel inside the processing building at the fishing farm. Take only what you need. So I have to get fuel for the boat? What? Oh, this is where I'm supposed to go. What the fuck is this? Sub-objective? How's this sub-objective? It's back over here, right? Wait, what's that? Lou? Oh yeah, I did the shooting gallery thing, and I got little trinkets. I got Bastion the Villager. I forgot they are. Cause I got the doesn't really tell me. Are you serious? That was gonna tell me there. But they do. I think it's just one. The fish gives me more health, and then the other guy. I forget what the other guy does. What's it mean sub-objective? Oh, this is what I'm supposed to be doing.
Come on, fill the tank when you're done.
Oh, okay. He was talking to me. He's like, "Come on, refill the tank when you're done." What are you? Oh, so I'm supposed to be finding things for this. Oh, sweet yellow herb. Kitchen knife. Can actually mix this. Nice. And that's all I can do over here, right? I'm pretty sure. Let's go ahead, go over here, which I was originally gonna do. This treasure. I think that was like something I couldn't do. What are the little like indicators though? I'm kind of curious about that. The heck do I get up there? Of course.
Shit. God damn it.
Gotta get that jump scare, you know? Oh shit, it's one of these guys. Ow. Oh my god. My goodness. That hurt. That honestly hurt. Screw you. Oh, he's dead. Cool. Ow. I don't remember to play this game. Ah!
Sorry. Must have slipped.
What the freaking stab? Oh my god, he didn't stab him. I was trying to stab that guy. He wouldn't stab him. Yo, why is it freaking out? The you die is like freaking out. It's freaking weird. Hold on. Ooh. The hell, my friend still works. Thought you would have gotten out by now. It's really hot too. Sucked even more. Alright, so I know this guy is over here. I was trying to remember how to use the controls. What are the controls? Ooh! E-nade. E-nade. Now eat shotgun. Oh. Okay. I'm better. Aha, loser. What the hell? Where'd you come from? Ugh. And then shoot. And then ooh. Suck it, loser. Yeah. 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 Ah. Great, I didn't get to kill that lady. Run, Leon, run! Freaking enemies are annoying. Alright, that worked out better than expected. One change the fact those enemies are really annoying. They transform. Wish I'd give you a little bit of extra time so you can actually walk up and stab them. Because usually you're in a fight, so you can't really do much about it. Oh, there's blue medallions, that's probably why. Loser. There's a challenge. I have to kill an enemy by stabbing the shit out of him. I did it. Yes. Alright, I can start shooting you. I don't give a fuck. Dead. Oh no, he's changing. No, you stay dead. No. That's, oh shit, that's right. There's like a separate button for that. Forgot there's a separate button for that. Just for like a quick shave. Like that I could just like straight up just like stab the guy. Really? I missed. Yeah. Yeah. Kill your door. Yeah. Apparently I shot one before, I don't know when. Eat laser to the face, loser. Ugh.
Not bad, right?
Very delayed, but who cares? Ah, that was gonna do something cool. Unfortunately, did it. Well, that stuff. Ariesta! You're not dead, are you? Oh, ah! I remember how to do it. I fucked up before. Can't happen. Ow! Really? Someone freaking shot me. Get out of here. I'm trying to form. Ooh, the bitch. Get out of here. Keep pressing the wrong button. It's this one. God, it's hot. Hold on. Yeah, hit that smiley face. I don't have any health items. Yeah. Is he dead? I run up just to check. Oh. Don't run. I'm back here. Little bitch. Okay, he killed himself. He literally, I was about to run into that. Nice. Bitch. Bitch. Come here, snake. Give me that. There are like 2 amulets here, right? Oh wait, that means there's an amulet over there. Okay, cool. It doesn't seem like there's a proper way to get back up, does it? I forgot this one actually shows you what the amulets are at. Snake! Give me this. Did you think he's just face through the ground? Cool. Cool, cool, cool. The heck? Hello? Hey, fuel. That. Oh, chicken egg. No, that's not on it. On this. Nice. Oh shit, I ate it. I meant to equip it. I didn't mean to eat it.
This is what
I didn't mean to eat it. I meant to equip it. I went to equip it, throw it at someone. Yeah, that's a challenge. I think I can get another egg real quick. Monkey. More piss holes. Pisses. There we go. Keep thinking it's like Evil Within where you're able to oh, they're down there. I was like, who the heck is talking to me? Yep, yours too. If I had a chicken neck, I'd throw it at you. Oh my god. Teenage.
Here you go.
Ah. Excuse me. I think someone transformed. Oh shit, she's chasing after me. No! Excuse me. Are you serious? Ah, bitch.
One down.
How many of you guys transform? Thank you for the handgun ammo. And all this stuff, thank you. I had dropped down. Seems like I can go back up there. Over here. There's an medallion right there, I just saw it too. There's one more in this area though. And it seems like there's a treasure as well. The heck? Oh, everyone's texting me about a test. Test like in like a day, not tomorrow, like a little bit later. Not a bit later. That's not the right word. Also, where's that medallion at? Tell me I shouldn't worry. I am a little worried. Got a piece. Unneeded. Gallon's like somewhere around here though. Oh, there it is. Oop. Apparently there's something in here. Oh, this? It's not that. What did I miss? Tell me I missed something in here. Expand treasure map. What did I miss? I'm not sure what I missed. I can't grab this. It's in there. I got the thing. What are you? Stuff I can't break. Oh, snake! Bitch, come here. Give me your eggs. Give me an egg. Yeah, next snake. Wait, can I eat? Can't I eat the vipers? Right? No, I can. Yeah. Mid-sized snake. Modified patterns. If the poison arrows are removed, or the poison guns are removed, it may be eaten. Can restore health. So yes, I could probably use it. What do you mean I have to remove it? How do I remove the glands? Normally you can eat, you can drink venom, no problem, if you don't have anything like wrong with your mouth, like any openings. Any openings? So, not really sure. What? Oh, I thought there was something glowing there. Yeah, it's scary because I saw that and I thought it didn't disarm. Not really sure what I missed. If you're just chilling. Who knows? Whatever. I'm trying to 100% complete it, so I'd like to know what I missed. Still kind of annoyed I didn't get the snake or the egg. Cause there's a challenge for throwing an egg. It's called like eat this or something. So I was like curious and looking through all the little things. Alright, so medallion around here somewhere that I had missed. Like over here. Right? Yeah. This seems like down here maybe? Perhaps? Yeah, there it is. Hells yeah, that's all of them.
Last one.
You can actually put this one here too. I'm missing one. Stone pedestal. Apparently there's a treasure here. Extended map treasure. Something here. So I do have a key. I wish I could mark that. Let me see if it's like something I missed. 'Cause I would like to go to the merchant either way. Over here, right? Yeah. This is what the merchant's at.
So that's a request done and dusted, eh? Good stuff, stranger. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. That's good work, if I do say so.
I'll fully
See
upgrade
how
the
that
knife
come
now,
back when
or
you
not.
can actually
Close.
pay, mate.
Closely, almost.
Ruby's all rubbish, it makes no difference. The price, well, that's our choice to make. Thank you. Will do. What can I do you for?
Okay, now I can fully upgrade the knife. Oop.
We're starting to get an idea of your tastes.
That's also a challenge.
Come
Fully
back
upgrade at what I've
anytime.
done. Right then, so over here, right? Over here. Over here? Yeah. I'm only missing one piece, and that one piece has to be like around here somewhere. Box and break. You give me more monies, that's always good. Ah, but you need one of like, because this won't be able to use. I can't use any of these. So that's completely useless to me. It says resources over here. Apparently I missed one. They're right here. I'd like to know what that one item is. That maybe be the last piece. Can't really open these. They require like a special key. This is church gate, but I go over here in order to do something. Cause I'm pretty sure you have to come back over here anyways with Ashley. So maybe the last piece that I need is over where Ashley's at. But who knows? Who knows? Over here. It says I'm missing an item over there. I just don't know what. That's the only thing that really just bothers me though. Or maybe because of the key, maybe because of the small key I can actually open up a thing. But I didn't see anything I can properly open up. So whatever. Who knows? Who knows what I missed? We'll just start this boss fight. I'm about to Moby Dick this salamander. What the fuck? Oh, come on. Screw you, salamander. Okay, I get it. I get it. That's not what I want to do. Maybe
Think you can
little
swallow me
bitch.
whole, huh?
Little bitch. Hey, how much health do you have? Come on, die already. Yeah, I was ready for your ass that time. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Show your face. That hit. That hit.
Where'd you go?
There you are. Bitch. Oh shit, I wasn't ready. Doesn't matter, I didn't take damage, loser.
You tough son of a bitch.
Yeah. I said. Die already. Come on. Oh, great. That was my fault. Aren't you dead yet? I swear. Freaking die already. There we go. They had like so much health. It was absurd how much health it had. Okay, I guess he just passes out on the boat before he passes out on the inside of the house. Chapter end. Hooray! Seriously, why is it so hot in the house? It's probably gonna be caught on the mic. Might as well turn on the fan and put it like close to the door so it doesn't sound terribly. Hopefully it doesn't get picked up too much on recording. Just so like stupid hot right now for some reason. Let me turn off the AC for some odd reason.
Sacrificial lamb, you will receive our most sacred body. Begins now. When day breaks, you two will join our covenant to share in my holy blessing forever.
It doesn't even show it because I'm wearing a different outfit. Dude, my boat's leaking. You just been chilling in a leaking boat the entire time? Makes sense, I guess.
Condor 1 to Roost. Do you read me?
Condor 1? You've been radio silent for 3 hours. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Won't let it happen again.
And the church?
I'm still looking for whatever key I need.
Copy that. I'm glad you're okay. Roost out.
I just got a thing payment thing I was looking at. One more handgun ammo, which is what I need. Thank you. I like skimming on handgun right now. to do that. A nice green herb. That else I can potentially snag. But this, no, anything doesn't really show anything else. I hear whispering. Can't wait for what? Can't wait for the part where I can't see Jack. Over here. Oh yes. Got a red herb. So we got green and we got a red one. I don't want to go down the path just yet. What's over here? Ah, this is where I went. Okay. Gotta double check in how it is. Craft. Craft red. I don't have a yellow one just yet. Oh, I thought that was like an item. No, it's just a reflection of the torch and our flashlight, depending where you're from. Ah, great. Fantastic. We gotta face these enemies. Fuck. Man, these enemies are annoying. Shit. Oh, you can parry them. Screw you, I'm staying down. Ah. Ah! Fuck, there's someone behind me too. Screw you, I'm going in my hole. Go in my hole. Leave me alone. I'm in my hole. Can't hurt me in my hole. Alright, let's eat this. That actually gives quite a bit, surprisingly enough. There we go. Jesus. That took like too much.
You're serious.
Right. My dumbass shot the freaking. Okay, that one didn't take that long. The other one took way too long.
What the fuck?
Kept shooting the head, but wouldn't die. You know, the fastest way to kill them is to flashbang them. I don't have flashbang.
What is this place?
Oh, did I miss anything just yet? No. What's that? I don't know what that is.
Some kind of shrine. Same mark from the church.
Mm-hmm. So I gotta put something in the hands? Yep. And there's a little thing I gotta do. Fantastic.
It's the lake.
Yep. Okay, so that just okay. Investigate 2 locations. Dang, I gotta investigate over here. We haven't even got to that part yet, man. Come on, we haven't gotten to that part.